It's a great radio. It
No,
really
no.
is. Like I'm sad I'm getting rid of it, but like kind of smaller radio, and I don't get out as much with it, so I'm like, it's time to let it go. And I have a Yaesu FT817. Yeah, see what I mean? Like that, it's smaller-ish, you know. It's a wider, but yeah, I enjoyed it. It's a great radio.
I've heard a lot about
Yep. Okay.
before OGO.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Uh huh.
So they got fantastic tuner in there.
Yes, it's got a 10. I believe it has a 10-to-1 in built into it, which is like awesome. 'Cause, yeah, it will polish up a lot of ugly on it. So.
Yeah, I was thinking about them, and I ended up buying one of those new SBX version 2s.
Oh, okay, one of the kit ones. Yeah.
I got the one put together. It was like, they're 500.
Yeah. Those are nice. I mean, I looked at those too. I'm sure they are.
That big heat sink armor in the back is like this long and that wide.
That's crazy. That much of a heat sink.
It'll do 40 watts. It even says you can
Impressive. They just know you're gonna blow one up trying to get it working.
No, mine kicks there.
Are you filming everything?
Yes, for YouTube. Yes.
Oh, heavens. We're going to be YouTube stars.
Yeah, you're gonna be YouTube.
You better get the release. I have to sign a release.
See, you have to sign it here. I'm gonna give you the copy of the contract right here. You can find me there on YouTube, okay?
Okay.
You can send it to all your grandkids,
If
okay?
we like it, you get paid.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, I gotta subscribe.
Yeah, you just look for me on YouTube, okay?
Tell them when we leave, I'm coming back to pick up a party later.
How's it going?
Got your number? Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
Thank you.
Take care.
If they're east, then they have to say they're 50 or 75 or 100.
Well, I said, well then,
We didn't sell them. You only sold one.
There's five. You said that's fine. So I know the guy that
What do you want for the box of resistors?
bought you. Oh, wow. Let's see. I haven't even thought too much about these. I figured most people. I'm just going to drive over here. Just take what they want.
Oh, I figure I'd get it.
Ryan, this. No. I don't see the. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. 250.
250? Okay, I'll have to think about that.
Well, if you want to offer something different, you're welcome to, but you need to ask my husband.
Yes.
Oh, I might as well while I'm here.
I mean, you know what? We are.
I would be all, it's like my wife. She's upbeat as can be. I mean, all things considered. I'm there's days where she's yelling at me. But
But Paul said I have some room here.
there might be something here. I saw a lot of, I don't see a lot of tube stuff here.
Very expensive German water guy up there. intended for marine use, I think. 10 killers for 30 days.
Put it in the microwave with your gun.
Yeah.
Did I give you enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you much.
Alrighty, thank you.
Wow.
Enjoy it.
Oh, I'll never look at it till my next truck appointment. But that's good to have something where all the time. Hey, the neck other one.
Over here, Daisy.
That's a necessity anymore. See you later.
Does it work?
Yes.
Don't talk on it.
I got
And
an
then he told me
80B.
to get him my ticket, and I got my ticket.
What happened is I don't have
Then the next video was it's Jesus 756 with the power supply. Bought that in one night. Oh yeah, China. I bought that video. Huntington.
One that I like. Hey Bob, good to see you. Have a great weekend up there. You're lucky. Get to get away for the weekend. Well, just for the day.
I'm
an hour and 15 to here. It's another hour and 15.
My brother, when he was in service, shipped the whole unit.
No, I'm up here.
Yeah.
3 more rows?
I ain't taking nothing away from that Pioneer, but that's
I think the Harrisburg community college layout was more spread out.
right there.
Yeah. How long it take you back? So how much land? Yeah, well, I was just, that's on the south side of the
Eric.
How you doing, man?
I'm Tim Zimmerman.
Oh, how you doing?
How you doing?
I'm okay.
You know, I'm always on your Facebook page.
Sure. Just take one from there.
Okay.
That way
I'm
you...
the guy that has the poodle.
Okay.
The white poodle.
Thank you, my friend. It was nice to meet you, okay?
Oh, yeah? Again.
Yes, it comes from a long ways back.
Battery packs, chargers. The red button is turned on down by the battery.
This one?
Yeah.
How much you asking for this one here?
I'm asking 175. I've already had my offer of 100, and I said, you're nuts.
It's a good radio. I had that one for like 20 years.
I have two over at the house. That's what they're
Yeah,
on.
yeah, that's a good radio.
But it has a pretty good feel to it.
It does.
What's that?
Yeah.
I think it's $5.
How much is that?
20.
Nice.
I don't have
How much you asking for the antenna tuner there?
500. Oh, the tuner.
The tuner, yeah.
has a wideband
$50.
50 bucks.
That's this antenna.
Okay.
How much you want for the gym? Yeah, Honda.
500.
You got them all? Yeah. You got a 500 you want to sell?
Oh, he's got a 500. I'm buying it.
You
brand new.
or no? You buying silver? No.
Me and him are going to go half.
He's gonna plug it in and it's
Oh,
gonna
that's
go
nice.
on fire. You better take that fire extinguisher.
Yeah, it's 50 watt amp.
Take that fire extinguisher.
Yeah, a couple of 500. Me want to go one.
That's me. I'm out of Allentown.
Oh, okay. Very good.
Yeah.
I know a few people that do. I knew Nick Begovich had the mobile telephone down there.
Okay, yeah, the name
Yeah, the page.
right.
Yeah, my boss bought his stuff up.
Okay. So what's going on doing now?
He's just putting TV stations everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah. That guy over there with the red shirt and gray hair and glasses and
Right,
shorts,
yeah.
That is Jeff, 85 years.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, Larry.
Been working fine for the last
How you doing?
I'm okay.
Yeah, that's
I'm gonna make you an offer later on the.
yeah. I thought it would be. I thought I was giving it away, but
Yeah, you practically are. I know Walmart, I think, something
Yeah, they've
like
never
that,
been out of the box.
$100
They're
and some
brand
dollars.
new.
Yeah, but you sure there's something in the box?
Yes.
A brick.
No, you can open the box and look at a router. That's a QRP. You're not interested. Yeah.
No.
You're not
I
interested.
was thinking about it. Might as well. I don't contact anybody anyhow.
Which reminds me quick. Talk to Randy, man.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I lost it.
Oh, okay. And I only had one of them. Found one of the box. Gave one to me. Good, good. You know, as a word of caution on those, they may have a fuse in them. I looked it up, it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't have a fuse. Okay, I didn't remember when, he had those all over the plant for burning racks. And I don't remember whether they had a fuse in them or not. Okay, well that's good to know that.
A lot of solder.
Oh yeah.
All right.
See you later, Will.
See you.
Most of his career he spent on AWACS as a crewman, radio operator.
You doing CW? Depends on how bad the band is.
Demonstration. I figured that. How much they cost?
These, I bought this whole thing for like 200, 300.
No, it's 200. Flat top.
You're fine.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
I love it. No.
There's a price on them.
How negotiable?
Depends.
10% negotiable, 20%?
Probably. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
I forgot the mark.
Yeah, I'm gonna plan on being here till about noon.
My husband's walking around. He's probably a lot more.
Are you from those towns?
Yeah, well, right now we live in McSherrystown, but we started off in Postal. Yep. So we are belong to Alpha Fire.
But some of them I already have.
Oh, okay.
Looked online years ago before I had any interest in doing that. Looked online and saw your someone had W3UU. And when I got my license, it was KC3 QBC.
None of them have magical healing powers, though.
Yeah, I haven't found this one to do anything for. Well, you're still
Somehow
here.
I'm not
still here,
surprised.
so. We can't discount our blessings.
That's
right. Gratitude.
Apple box on my words.
That's why I was saying if you wanted the rest of it, we can maybe set up all this.
Well, how about you keep them all in the bag until we get there?
You keep it because once I close it, I might not be able to access it.
Okay. I don't. Yeah. Well, give me my 20 then, because I need that. I prefer the silver ones, to tell you the truth.
I'm going to give you all of this.
Red Dragon? Red Dragon or Red Dragon? I guarantee on the front of my truck, got a tag. Okay. I was going to sell something. We stopped with Memphis. Red Dragon. Oh, you looked at the front of my truck. Yeah.
I'm going to be making the call.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
All right. Okay, just that.
Hey, hey, my friend.
Sometimes I can nearly clean sweep in the first day.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, I got
Well,
close.
then you stayed right at it.
Yeah, I got close.
Those, it comes with the power supply, it comes complete. They have, I believe those, they have like a 540 hard drive in it, and then you have like
Put a box aside.
How much?
Start throwing it in there.
73420.
So you go back to school?
Yeah, are you teacher?
You can get your preschool online now. I take the coils out, I'm gonna use them because make a coil like and then repair radios.
Yeah, maybe I'll go on the TV, man. I just want to be like you. I don't know what you got, but I mean, I just want to be like you, smart. Or is it K? There's not. Well, as long as they have good teachers, I'm all right.
And
yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Well, first of all, I got tied up in the middle of that. And then everybody kept coming by.
You're gonna roll it? It's a.
Yeah, you're gonna roll it, yeah.
No, I don't want to. Just, you know how big it is?
This thing?
I think it's about.
I have one at home that's the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's there.
I have some now.
I don't think we've ever been to one where we did. Pretty amazing. You want me to hold them or you?
I'll look for those. I got them up on the side for you.
No. But he hasn't like the woods back there for some reason. No, and he wanted to go under all the cars. He's thinking he's at home. But he's not.
I'll see you. All right. Take care, Dave.
Share this morning, sorry. We shouldn't have had it. This morning.
Yeah, well, it happened to spoil $1 a picture.
Yeah, he's as nuts as the rest of us. He just has an excuse. He has a
Excuse me. Oh, sorry.
And it works great. You lose in there, but you lose little. And I have to turn particularly
see what I got.
Because I don't have enough sticker. I'll have to run.
Alright, give me a moment. I can think about it then, okay.
I'm sorry. What's going on, Red Dragon?
All right. I'm trying to spend some money.
Oh man, he got a lot of goodies. Look.
Working together on a good price.
Yeah.
It's mine, and I used it back in the, I don't know, 80s, 90s. And that was the antenna that came with it.
It worked then.
It worked then.
I have
We missed the 80-year window. We had Europe in 2 years. It was nice. Spain.
This was my first radios. Not use it. I bought it from the bars.
Appreciate you telling me that. Yeah. I get to go up to the top because you're in my office computer. Wait till the bar comes down in line.
Yep. Understood.
My sheet, I find out uniform setting up in the contract. And I start using it on Friday. I love
We're down in Allentown area, below Allentown. Like Lehigh Valley area.
I have a question.
Eastern, yeah.
I know we.
Well, Center Valley, Quakertown area. Yeah. But she has family like 15 minutes from here in Halifax, so it worked out perfectly. Yeah.